Yeah, hello. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Because he was gonna go to Doonside soon. Okay then. Okay, I'll tell him. Okay. Yeah, bye. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is seafood. I have mussels, clams, these things here. Yeah, I call them pippies, okay. And then I have prawns, okay guys. Okay, I put this together, and if the video clip is good enough, I will show you guys what I done to put it together. It's time to, so I got my bowl here for any of these shells. I better put some tissues down the bottom so it doesn't make that cling cling noise. How you guys been? Ooh, hope you guys are alright. Getting you guys some food. Got some beans here. Look, I got some beans as well. Some more peas. Some more of these mussels. Yep, and Bob to Auntie. Anyway, there we go. Okay, you know what, you guys? You guys deserve the first bite. Yeah. Hang on, I'm doing my thumb. Well, best to get your hands in there. Alright, I use a fork. Look at how small this mussel is. These are the black mussels. But they're quite sweet, you know? That's my nails. Yeah, so I chopped up the garlic and fried the beans and added everything else. Now, yep. The drink today is kiwi and melon. It's a New Zealand product. It's got a nice green. Okay. Cheers, guys. You know what? Those people that do the cooking and then do a mukbang, well done to you guys. I mean, not that easy, you know. It's especially when you have people getting in your way in the kitchen. Yeah, so guys, I went and got me some, made me some butter sauce, and I put in a bit of obey, whatever. Wanga obey. Yeah, I went and got me, I went and done a butter sauce, and I put a few garlic in there, pepper, lemon pepper. Oh yeah, so I just put my saucy here. My gosh. I'll put my sauce here. I want you guys to see my sauce. Yeah. So the sauce is right here, guys. No. Put it here in my sauce. Okay. Sauce tastes nice. You guys, yeah, all mate. Much better with the butter. Much better with the butter. So I chopped up garlic, guys, and I'll put so much in there. You guys got anything to eat? I hope you do. These little mussels, they could be really small, but they're actually nice. They have a body to it. You can taste the body. And these prawns were huge, but you know when you cook it, they shrink. Oh, ice cream man, do you have to ding your bell now? Anyway, who's looking forward to the potty for them? Me. Sorry, truck. I am busy. I am busy having a feed. And my kids are not here. My kids are not here. My mama, she was here. But I said to him, Mama Bear, I don't want this sneezing episode again. This butter ice cream, he passed right in front of my house. Then he waited. Oh well, he knows. If we want it, we'll run out. Yeah. You know the home ice cream? Yeah, that one. The home ice cream. Do you know they have jelly tip at home ice cream sells jelly tip? And I love it, right? And they put so much jelly in there, and there's a little bit of ice cream at the end. Mmm. But you know, I had mentioned something about like that thing that if you do a mukbang, just don't wipe your mouth. It will be so hard because I use millions of tissues, millions, I tell ya. This butter sauce is lovely. Anyway, I put in obey, okay, and 3 cloves of garlic, the pepper, lemon and pepper sauce, lemon and pepper salt, This is good. It makes the bean taste very nice. I met up with a viewer when I was at the supermarket. Do we still call it a supermarket? Yeah, she just wanted to say hello to me. No, it's good. And then you took a picture. Lucky I was dressed up. And her name is Rose. Right. Nice to see you at Plumpton, Rose. Thank you for coming up to me, because, you know, you guys know me. I don't know your faces. Otherwise, you know what? Now look, where's my pippy? This is so good, guys. You know this, these little pippy thingies here? You get them, they were on, I don't know if it's $5 all the time for the box, or it just was on sale. But it was $5 when I got it, so I got, no, 1 packet of mussels, and the others pippies. And I thought, yeah, gonna do me a mukbang. And then I got the king prawns that's there, the showered ones, already peeled. Okay. And then I just put the Hoiken noodles and put it together. You know, it's good that they sell, like, crushed garlic, plus they sell the ones already peeled. So now I just get the one already peeled. Because the crushed garlic, right, I find when you put it in your hot oil or something, like they pop out of the pan. And they pop out of the pan by the time you're ready to cook your food. All the garlic jump back out of the frying pan and into the fire. Nice. Yeah, but the ones that's already peeled and bring it home and cut it up, no, use that one. Look, I was such in a hurry, I didn't crust the garlic. Right, is this garlic? It's nice. So someone's going to have garlic breath after this. Sorry. That's so lovely. 2 thumbs up for my cooking. No. And then dip the sauce. So guys, the party photo coming up. So, I asked my granddaughter's parents if she was allowed to go, and they said yes. Now that's awesome. S-O for awesome. It's good because it'll give me time to see my uncle over there. So the event is like 2 days. So we'll probably be just over there like 4 days. So 2 for the event and 1 to stop over to my uncle and my cousins. No time to stop for a party. No. Would be lovely, but gotta get my daughter, gotta get my granddaughter back home. I also wanted to stop by and see my my best friend. My best friend Teddy. Yeah, he's a bus driver now, my buddy. Her and I have been friends since we're 13. I won't have time to see her. I'm sad. I wish jellyfish. But I'm hoping that she comes over and see her brother Luke. Luke's a DJ. I don't know if he's still a DJ now, but if she comes over, oh, for awesome. Man. Oh, I'm so happy. These are my best friends. So, you know, I got 5 best friends. You know. Where's the video? Guys, you go in Woolies and you go in a section where they sell their seafood stuff. Yeah, and the box is blue, right? And it's, yeah, they call it what do they call it? Clams. These clippies, right? And then you have those little black mussels. Oh, They're small, but I tell you what, they got a body. Remind me of me. No. It's lovely. Nice. So he's gonna go and get some seafood and do it. You know the Hoiken noodles, you have to soak it in water. Don't just get out of the packet and chuck it in the thing, because it's like it brittles. And if you soak this in water and then you break it apart, not break, no. And then you toss it in to fry with your stuff if you want. I asked my little chihuahua, that's what I call her, to come and do a mukbang with me, but she's such a fussy eater. She only eats what? Nuggets. Nuggets and what? No, and noodles. But she didn't want to eat the seafood in it. They don't know what they're missing out on. Guys, look. My daughter has been saying to me that I'm not commenting to people that's been commenting me. As far as I'm concerned, I have been. So, if I'm late to reply to you, I'm on my way. I'm not trying to avoid anyone. No. Look at my old videos. I still don't go back to them, you know? I don't know why. Anyway, so I've been putting it up on my on my Facebook pages, my sort of old videos. When I used to do my old videos, right? My daughter Geneva was my editor. She's still sometimes part-time. And I didn't know if she knew, because I didn't know. I'm too old school. Anyway, I did not know that the background music, you know, you don't get monetized for it. So my daughter didn't know to put music on it, right? And guess what, guys? It's like mostly the ones that's in Samoa. And I love my Samoan videos. Sad. And they got a lot of views too. But, you know, like they said, they send the money to the owner of the music, which is fair. But if my granddaughter knew, if my daughter knew what to do, look at this. Little wee tiny, winty, minty. Yeah, I bet. Winty. So good. Yeah. Okay. Oop, and a pepper. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. That's a lovely drink. I love buying this drink for two reasons. It's got a beautiful taste and it's New Zealand brand. Yeah. Always love supporting New Zealand stuff. Okay. I just started to boil my neck. That's not even my neck, that's my chest. Okay, no, it doesn't even have body parts. Okay. These beans though. I love beans. The half cooked ones. You know what? I got shout outs. There's a YouTuber by the name of J Review. Oh, you know what? I'll put his name down. You know that dude. Jay, you gotta get it. Anyway, he added my name to the challenge. And it's, I don't know, it's like triple burger or something. Anyway, I started laughing. But then I got serious and thought, oh, it's on, buddy. It's on, Jay. It's on. Look, so guys, you know, if you see Jay's name, please go over and show him some love, please. He's just starting, but I tell you what, go and have a look how he does his videos. It's really good. Colourful. It seems like a shy guy, but as time goes, he's gonna not be shy. These videos that he's doing will actually bring him out of his shell. It will. And I hope that, you know, he gets more and more subscribers, because he does really good thumbnails as well. Whatever, look at his thumbnail. I'm thinking, man, your thumbnail's so nice and colourful. I like it. My thumbnails is like, yeah, that. See all this mess? Can you see it? I'm practicing for the no wipe. Look at this. I can bear that coffee, man. Yum. Yeah. Katrina and Asia, I appreciated this verse in the Bible that they put out. Matthew 5:43 and 44. It helped me yesterday when I got frustrated about someone. And I quickly let it go because I remember what Katrina and Asia said about that verse. So I'll look it up, guys. Matthew 5:43 and 44. So it cheered me up fast. You know, I was just sad for my mama, but it made me think, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let's see me. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the shadow. Oh, no wonder, now I look, so the lower the camera is, the darker. So now that I've lifted up the camera, it's gone nice and brighter. Camera, speak to me and let me know. Okay, anyway. Po malole mukbang, malama mai lo. If you come away, the camera. Yeah, that. Did you like that? Yeah. So I just want to show my appreciation for the people that stop by and watch my channel and leave a comment for me. I just want to say thank you very much, and I'll start naming you guys out and give you guys the shout out. Okay, the first one goes to Lillian Yoange. Hello, Lillian. And then Samoa Lover. Samoa Lover, thank you very much. I see your comment here and there. And then this one here. Thank you very much. You know, you guys leave some really touching comments. It's really uplifting. Thank you. This one here is J Musica 27. So hello to you. Thank you for leaving that nice comment that you did the other day. And then there's Gina B2A. And then there's Mary Rose A. Hello to you. And Heta Nu'u. Hello Heta. And Fau Perossi. Hello Fau. And then Nancy Keelan, here's a shout out for you. Thank you for liking my, hey, brain freeze. Yeah, my Facebook. Thanks for the like, okay? Thank you so much. So Nancy Keelan, hello to you. Serena Ali. Thank you for stopping by. I've seen a few of your comments and I appreciate it. And Black_Chang 112. It's Chan, not Chang. Okay. So Black_Chan 112. So guys, I hope no one's asked me for a shout out and I didn't include their name. Humble apologies, guys. But the food was lovely. I didn't eat a lot of that noodle. I knew I should have stopped when I was like halfway out the packet, a few bots, and used the whole packet. Guys, look how nice and bright the camera is now. Oko. Angali umali mukbang ali malamalama. Oh, just want to fussy you camera. Okay, you guys take care. And I hope you guys, you know, are still considering doing a video and uploading. Start up, guys. Start up. It's never too late. Just like how we think, oh, it's too late to buy a house. No, it's not too late to buy a house. Just buy it, live it, and, you know, at least your rent is going to your own house. Even though the bank should stop charging too much interest. Gosh. Oh, well. You guys take care, okay? I appreciate all of you that stopped by to my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Take care. Never forget to give thanks, guys. Take care of each other. Love one another because, oh my gosh, I've been having some little devils coming on the side and I think, nah, you know what, devil? Go away. Matthew 5, 43, 44. That has really put something in my mind. Thank you so much, Katrina and Asia. I appreciate it. Sometimes it's nice to listen to people when they're telling you something, because you can pick up something and, you know, it can be really beneficial. So thank you. It's the word of God, but it really helped me, like, take it away. Otherwise, I would have been angry for about 3-4 days. And then get over it. But it was just an overnight thing and it stopped. Why? Because of that verse that Katrina and Asia gave. I love it. Thank you, Jehovah. Thank you, God, for having this Bible out there just to remind us, hey, stop being stupid. Just listen. Okay, you guys take care. My husband just done a nice ugly cough to my video. Nay? Okay, you guys take care. I better go tell my mama, come back now, come and watch TV. Ya faso fua. Kia manuia, take care. Love each other. Don't forget. And give thanks. Bye now. See, we're back to that, you know, trying to get out of the...